Let me show you how I prepare for my photo walks using the Take Pics Here photo walk planner. When I'm out scouting a new area or organizing a walk for myself or a group, I want everything planned out before I ever leave the house. That's exactly what the photo walk planner helps me do. First, I log into my Take Pics Here account and head over to my dashboard. From here, I can access my photo walk plans, client lookbooks, and personal photo location database. Today, we're going to build a photo walk plan from scratch. So let's start with the location database. Inside my database, I have 3 different types of locations. Private locations that only I can see, public locations that I have added to the Take Pics Here public database, and locations that I have saved from the public database. Since I want this walk to have a lot of color and urban character, I'm going to search for East Atlanta graffiti locations. As soon as I search, the map automatically updates and pulls matching locations into the grid below. Now, all I have to do is click the Add to Photo Walk button on any location I want to include. I'll grab a few locations that fit the vibe I'm looking for. Just like that, they're added to my staging area and ready for planning. Once I have all the locations selected, I move into the photo walk builder. This is where everything starts to come together. Right away, I can see how many stops are in my walk, the estimated travel time, walking and driving distances, time spent at each location, the total duration of the experience, and all of that is calculated automatically. The first thing I'll do is give my walk a name. Next, I'll set the visibility to view only, enable the share link, and turn on field notes. This allows me to share the plan with others while keeping everything organized and easy to follow. Now, let's scroll down to the route map. You'll notice all of the locations are connected together in a dynamic route. One of my favorite features is that I can easily change the order of the stops using the directional buttons on each card. As I rearrange the locations, the planner automatically updates the route, travel times, and total distance. This makes it incredibly easy to optimize the walk before I ever head out into the field. Each stop card includes the location photo, title, and distance to the next stop. That alone makes planning so much easier. If I want to go deeper, I can expand the details section and add things like permitting information, shoot logistics, parking notes, client instruction, and creative ideas. But for this demo, we're going to keep things simple. I also love that the planner suggests additional nearby locations automatically. I'm going to add one of those suggested stops to make the route even stronger. Now, let's scroll back to the top and save the plan. Once the plan is saved, we're taken to the photo walk homepage. This becomes the command center for the entire shoot. From here, I can view all planned stops, track my completion progress, edit the route at any time, share the plan with others, or start the photo walk when I'm ready. Everything I need is in one place. Now that the planning is complete, it's time for the fun part. Let's grab the camera, head into the field, and put this photo walk into action.